Hey everyone, my name is Joe Skipper with Skipper Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty out of Oregon, and I am in one of my favorite spots in Oregon, my hometown of Wilsonville. We are checking out the Frog Pond area, this new development area on the east side of Wilsonville. It's close to great schools, Beckman Creek Primary School, Meridian Creek Middle School. They're building a new school right next to Frog Pond as well in the next couple years. So it's just an awesome community. Richmond American Homes is building all sorts of homes here, all sorts of styles, layouts, prices. We're going to take a look at the Jefferson floor plan today. It's kind of the standard floor plan. It's 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom, 2.5 to 3 bathroom. It's 2,600 square feet and runs at about $725,000. So I wanted you to have an inside look into what these homes look like and what you're going to get for the cost. So let's go take a look. But before we do, if you are a buyer, seller, and investor, and you want to stay up to date with the latest on the housing market, like and subscribe to my page. Like now, like and subscribe to it. Because I put out content regularly so that you can stay up to date on the Oregon housing market so you can make the best financial decisions for you and your family. But let's take a look at the inside of the Jefferson floor plan by Richmond American Homes in Frog Pond in Wilsonville. Okay, what did you think of it? Let me know in the comments or shoot me a text. Let me know what your thoughts are on it. If you're looking to buy or sell in the next 12 months, give me a call and we can talk about getting you the highest return on your home when you do decide to go that route. Thanks, guys.